How to set up domain on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to set up domain on Weebly. So let's get into it. You will simply open up weebly.com and sign into your account, and this is where you will get. In order to set up the domain, you can just go to the domain section here, or you have opened up the dashboard. It will actually give you the option of set up your domain. Get a custom or free square domain or connect to an existing domain. So I'm gonna click on set up domain option. Now you will enter your domain name right here. You can see select your domain name, whatever name you want to add, www dot, then your domain weebly.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in the name, which is Sway Closet. This is for my e-commerce website, and I'm gonna search for it if it's available. You can also connect or transfer a domain that you have bought already. So it says swaycloset.com, swaysecret.com, or webswaycloset.com. These are the ones available, and I can choose a 1-year plan for this one. And then we have a subdomain, which is going to be swaycloset.weebly.com. So now you just have to choose a domain. I'm going to select this one. It will take me to the payment page where I have to enter my payment details. And this way I will be able to set up a domain on Weebly. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.